Y'all watched my channel yesterday, y'all know I uploaded my first GoPro video. I read the comments. A lot of people were saying the camera was fucked up, right? I had it strapped on my chest, but it was more like on my stomach. And every time I lean up, you know, it was just getting the cement. Like, I ain't like how it was. So this part 2, we about to go back out there and see, you know, what we can get on the GoPro. I'll take y'all up a little hitting trail in Detroit. We're gonna see what we find. You know, I'm gonna hold the GoPro and I'm gonna strap it to my chest. But this time when I strap it to my chest, it's gonna be a little higher. You know, it ain't gonna be like on my stomach and that shit. So, yeah, man. I appreciate everybody tapping in with the content. I'm gonna drop a lot of different content. This is the GoPro series. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see how this GoPro work. I like this little camera. But, yeah, man. Make sure y'all continue tapping in with your boy Yon World. About to go hit these streets. We're gonna see how everything play out, but make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. At the end of this, I ain't never been to her. But it look like people jogging and shit. Nice artwork on the wall. I like how they got the grass and shit cut. And some nice landscaping. Got cameras all up this trail. I like it. Got another trail back there. Little mini amphitheater. Got a little shitter for y'all. Out early. Feel good out right now too. Feel great. One hand. Oh shit, I almost bust my shit. Never been down here. I don't know what's at the end of it. We gonna see though. Got the security van. I know this is a better view for y'all. That first video was hurting my damn eyes. I'm like, bro, look up. But it was like slouched down. My camera was like slouched down. Now, what is this? All right, we're gonna go up. We're gonna go up first, see what's up here. Don't know what none of this is, y'all. Is this the Eastern Market? I don't know if it took me to the Eastern Market. Oh, this is grass shit. Okay, so it'll take you all the way up here. It kept going, so we gonna keep going. Sunny than a motherfucker. You see, with the GoPro 10, I was supposed to be able to record live, but for some reason it don't record live, so you gotta do it like this. Some more artwork. Graffiti. How that look? Old buildings. Shit. I like how stable this camera is. It's real stable. Yeah, they got a lot of shit back here. Little outdoor eat, play, drink joint. Got some more artwork on the wall. Damn, well, how far does this shit go? It's a hidden trail out in Detroit. Yon World, we about to find all the hidden gems, man. Mobbing through the city, Dolo. Black Jesus. We got Black Jesus out here too. Hold on. Let's see what this is. Where we at? Alright, they got little seating areas, you know what you're saying? You come here, blow a backwood or two. Come here, blow a couple woods. You know what I mean? Oh yeah. Let's see. Where are we at? Where are we at? Yeah, this video way better. Way better. Is this the end? Gonna go across this bridge and see what they talking about. See what's up over there. I saw a little wall painting I wanted to get anyway. But I like these videos. You know, just some different type of content. Into EPIT 500, you know what I'm saying? Once EPIT 500, we back on the crypto. So I gotta wait. Alright, we're gonna bust it up here. Go on a real adventure and bust all the way up. Let me see what's down here. I think I see food. Well, let me go up here real quick because I want to go up here. I'm looking for like some coffee, something. I ain't really tripping on no breakfast right now. But like some coffee would be good as fuck. I don't know why I got a taste for that shit. Look at this. Mirrors. All these mirrors. should have went on the other side. All of these mirrors and shit. Benz is riding through the city. You know, sunny than a motherfucker. I'm about to see if I can find some food though. See if I can find some food, some coffee. If not, we gonna bust down here. If ain't nothing over there, I'ma just we're gonna just take it back down that strip. That car hard as fuck. Make sure my backwood ain't fall out my pocket. The caught down. I don't know how the audio sound, but it's a little windy and the road bumpy as fuck. I knew this was the Eastern Market. Eastern Market. This part of Detroit, they sell a lot of like fresh fruit, fresh vegetables. There be food trucks. People be coming out here selling their merchandise, all that type of stuff going on down here every Sunday in June to September. They about to have something down here. This is the main part right here of the Eastern Market. A lot of people be over here. That Coney open? Oh no. That shit open. I should go get me some food. Zeph's Coney. That's the only thing around. 1942. I just took another shot. AR with the Glock. Took another shot. My bro, he the rent hitting shit from the parking lot. No scooters inside. Let's see what they got. Twerking like she trying to make something. We're gonna see what they got, man. DR shoes and socks at 80 on our watch. Oh, I gotta lock my scooter. How you doing? Good, how are you? I'm good. I want a place to order to go. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I said I wanted coffee, but end up getting some orange juice. You know, perfect time to spark a wood. like when I wear it on my chest, it be aimed down a little bit. We can't go all the way. I can't push all the way back. This little tripod or something. We're gonna be back with more GoPro videos. Show y'all more of Detroit. But I might just be recording with my GoPro more often than on my iPhone. Just upload like that.